Hi, it's Marilyn here.
And Norma, and today we are at the Williston in Harbour Landing.
And today we're going to talk about frequently asked questions. And there's a lot of them. So the first one is, where are you located?
Well, Tracy is located at 102 45 81 Parliament Avenue in Harbour Landing, the corner of Parliament Avenue and Harbour Landing.
Oh, okay.
What can you see when you go to visit her in the office is another question that is often asked.
Well, you can see Tracy. And then Tracy will tell you all about the floor plans. And you'll also see this beautiful little office in here, and you see the artist renderings of the apartments and the lobby, what the lobby will look like. And you can talk to Tracy, and that's a bonus.
Good.
And I can ask her any questions. She's very well versed in the Williston. What time of amenities are at the Williston?
Oh, there are so many amenities, Marilyn. I can hardly wait until they're all in there. But the first one that I can think of is a salon and spa.
Oh, who loves that?
Oh,
yeah.
Who doesn't love it? Nice.
Pedicure, manicure. Get your hair done.
Then you can go to the pub and lounge after that.
Cold one?
Yes. Then they'll also have a library where assortment of reading material.
Yeah. Read a nice book.
A W cafe.
Great, like to eat.
The wellness center, so you can work out after that meal.
Good, yeah.
The Prairie Event Center. A private dining room where you can host your family, and then there's also an on-site dining room with a Red Seal chef.
Oh, Red Seal chef, wow.
The terrace rooftop and the cellar.
Very nice.
Yes.
Sounds exciting.
So how do you secure a suite is often a question that people want to know.
Well, come and see Tracy, and Tracy will decide, and not decide, she will show you a suite, not decide what suite you'll get, but you can pick suite and location, and you fill out an application and a deposit, and you are on your way to a wonderful lifestyle.
I have a pet. I have a dog.
Yeah, they accept pets.
Okay,
Small ones.
Small ones. Okay.
Not big dogs, but small ones.
Okay. And I also understand that there are two different types of lifestyles at the Williston.
There is. There's the apartments, or you can do the all-inclusive. And the all-inclusive, well, why don't you tell the people about what all-inclusive
Certainly. Well, all-inclusive, you get 2 meals a day. No cooking.
Yay!
And those are prepared again by that Red Seal chef. Scheduled transportation. Weekly housekeeping.
Very nice.
Daily garbage pickup.
Bonus.
And regular planned activities by a lifestyle coordinator. So if you want to go and do that hot air balloon ride, Marilyn, you just check with that lifestyle coordinator.
You bet. Go to the spa, or we got a spa, you don't need to go to the spa, you can go to the casino.
Oh,
awesome.
awesome.
What else could we do? Anything.
Oh, lots of things.
There's so many activities here.
Well, you said 2 different lifestyles there. And so what does apartments mean?
Well, apartments have they are for you and me to go to an apartment where you are carefree. You come in, you have this beautiful brand new suite, and you sit there and you do whatever you want to do, and you have all the things that you could go downstairs and use the library. You could go have a meal at the cafe, and you can do your own cooking if you want, because you'll have to do your own cooking because it's not inclusive. And then you shut the door, put the key in your purse, and away you go on your fabulous vacation. Whatever you want to do.
Awesome.
Oh, parking. What about parking?
Well, there's underground parking and above ground parking also with electrical sites.
Okay.
Yes,
that's good.
Awesome.
Well,
what about maintenance? You know, if something goes wrong, am I responsible for that?
No, they have someone on staff at the Williston that will always come, just phone them and they will come to your apartment right away. So
okay.
It'll be fine, not to worry about anything. And what utilities are you responsible for?
Well, the only thing that you are responsible that you have to pay for will be your phone and your cable. So yeah, so the other stuff is awesome.
Leasing.
Oh.
How long can you take out a lease for?
That's another good question. I understand that you can lease for 1 to 3 years.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so that's awesome. You know, you don't have to be worrying month to month about things.
Exactly. Any more questions?
I don't think so. I hope that we've
But
answered.
you know, they can talk to Tracy. Sorry.
They certainly
Didn't mean to cut you.
can.
But Tracy, do you know Tracy's phone number?
I know a Tracy's
Great.
phone number, so we hope we've answered everything. But if you have more questions, please call Tracy, 306-209-5414. Until next time,
Thanks for listening.
see you.
Bye-bye.